Hi Aquarius, ang timestamp ng reading nyo as of tonight ay 9:55 p.m. January 4, 2026. So this is for Collective Aquarius for the month of January 2026 reading. Ito ay free reading. Ginagawa natin to ng mga tarot reader specifically sa YouTube, sa aking YouTube channel, sa mga tarot reader na nasa YouTube for the collective zodiacs. So we don't have to do individual free readings. There's no such thing as individual free readings, guys. Okay? Collective energy tayo. So, if it resonates with you, this means that the reading is for you, Aquarius. Kung hindi naman, I will tap into your energy next time. As simple as that. So, Aquarius, gagamitin natin ang ating deck na Oracle of the Mermaids by Lucy Cavendish. Ayan siya. Okay? So, we're not going to read reversals kasi oracle naman to. We will be channeling all the possible messages for you, Aquarius, for the month of January 2026. Okay? Shuffle ko lang ulit yung mga barahin in front of the camera. Na-pre-shuffle na natin to a while back and na-cleanse na natin yung table. But before we start your reading, i-shuffle lang ulit natin. No, just to be sure na hindi kayo nadadayo or anything like that. Okay? Okay. Let's see. May you bring forth spirit ang mga gabay para sa ating Collective Aquarius January 2026. Okay? Para sa ating Collective Aquarius. Okay. 5 cards para sa iyo, Aquarius. 5 bara para sa Aquarius. First card mo, meron kang naka-reverse dito, but this is Sanctuary, no? Laging lumalabas ang Sanctuary card. Yung mermaid na to nasa loob ng bathtub. So, ibig sabihin ng Sanctuary dito, privacy, inviolate personal space, respect boundaries, and taboos. Okay? Now, ang second card, naka-reverse din to. We're not going to read reversal, so i-upright natin to lahat, no? We will channel all the messages like I said. So, this is the first time lumabas so far yung barahan na vulnerability. Makita mo to na yung lalaking mermaid, binubuhat yung babaeng mermaid, no? She can't swim, parang ganon, no? She's weak. So, open your heart, allow yourself to be tender, Aquarius. And then, ang third card, meron tayo dito na freedom. Okay, independence, self-determination. So, lumalabas lagi ang freedom, no? Halos so far sa mga 3 or 4 na zodiac signs na nagawa na natin. Okay, independence, self-determination daw. And then, meron naka-reverse din yan supposedly. To so far. But, i-upright natin lahat. We will not going to read reversal, like I said, no? Kasi, we will be channeling all the possible messages for you. Song of the Siren. So, selfie lang ng mermaid, no? She's very watery, no? Blue and white. You know, the call, summoning, voice to acknowledge. And your last card, Aquarius, meron tayong soul cage, no? May card ka rito, Aquarius. Interesting is that may lalaki at babae. May partnership. So far, hindi natin nakita to sa ibang reading. As a collective, Aquarius, no? So, para sa inyo to. Rescue, escape from captivity and restriction. So, sinasalo ng mermaid tong nadadrown na lalaki. Dito naman, yung lalaking mermaid, sinasalo yung nangihina na babae. How irony, no? How ironic, I mean, the irony, because ito is, hindi siya mermaid na babae, yung nangihina tao na babae na drown, sinasalo ng isang mermaid na lalaki. Dito naman, sinasalo ng mermaid na babae, yung lalaki na nadadrown. Wow. Ang ganda nung baraha. Inulit yung reading nyo eh. So far, it seems like this is the right reading kasi it feels right, no? Okay, so for you, January 2026, Aquarius, no? So, this is the perfect time to set boundaries and your limitations, no? Since beginning of the year to. Value your personal space and your privacy. Not everyone deserves to know everything that's going on into your life. Okay? Do not let people, if it feels uncomfortable, or if some people or situation feels more like parang a burden or uncomfortable, no? So, it's time for you to draw the line. Yun ang sinasabi dito, okay? Value mo, Aquarius, yung privacy mo, okay? And do not let anyone just, interfere your personal space just like that. Okay? Not everyone deserves to be at your personal space. Yung sinasabi dito, if you need to let go of certain people, let go of them. Okay? Or situations. Okay? So, respected boundaries and taboos. So, whatever you believe in, stand by it. May pagka 7 of Wands energy to. Stand your ground. Okay? And they have to respect your point of view, your stand, ganon, no? You need to defend it. Dapat di ka sway. For some reason, yun yung energy. Since you're air, like ako, Libra, ho, we both understand that. Okay? Ngayon, may second card ka dito, yung mermaid na lalaki. Ito yun, no? Yung una mong card kasi, yung mermaid nasa bathtub. Yung mermaid na to, nasa bathtub. Okay, ngayon, meron kang lalaking mermaid. Sa second card mo, Aquarius, sinasalo yung babae, tao siya, nadadrown. So, vulnerability. So, ang sinasabi dito, no, for those of you, Aquarius, divine feminine or masculine energy doesn't matter. Open your heart daw, Aquarius. Allow yourself to be tender, no. For January, do not be too close off, no. Do not be too rigid or parang may resistance ka, no. Let go of the resistance for January, especially when it comes sa relationship with people na may potential na mag-grow into friendship and into romantic, no, relationship. So, allow yourself to be a little bit vulnerable, no, to show a little bit of tenderness in you pagdating sa mga relationships and connections, Aquarius. Okay? Now, as simple as that, no? Next is yung freedom. Yung middle card mo dito, laging lumalabas tong freedom. You see this mermaid, red siya. Nakaupo siya by the seaside. Ayan yung palikpik niya, no? Yung buntot niya, malaki. Tapos yung naka-crop top siya with a skull. So, she's just sitting there, no? So, parang she's free and poised, no? So, it's about, no, for January also, do not be afraid at the same time. Let's say, you do not be afraid to be vulnerable. At the same time, appreciate your singlehood. Appreciate you being alone at this time. Not, doesn't mean you're lonely. Not everyone who is alone are lonely. Not everyone who are in a relationship or being surrounded by so many people are happy. We've learned that sa maraming celebrities, di ba? Ang daming pera, ang daming kasikatan, but most of them, pag nire-report, diba, they're not happy, no? Their family actually are the ones destroying them. Meaning, sure, the money. Ganun. So, not all people have that kind of freedom that you might have right now, no, Aquarius, no? So, you need to value that. Okay? Kasi, there are important things in life na importante. No? Hindi lang yung tangible things like money, like, everything that's tangible. Now, there are things also na importante sa buhay na hindi nasusukat ng pera, no? And that is your freedom. Kasi when you have freedom, you have the ability na to choose anything you want in life. To choose any people you want to invite into your life, no? So, that's a privilege. That's a blessing. Okay? Then, Aquarius, meron kang Song of the Siren. So, basically, face card ng mermaid. She's all in white talaga, no? With a little bit of blue and black. Okay? Song of the Sirens. So, ibig sabihin, you have the calling or something is summoning inside you. You do not ignore yung intuitive or your higher self, Aquarius, no? Kung anong dinidikta ng mga kutob mo, ng intuition mo, ng konsensya mo, ng wisdom mo, higher wisdom mo. You need to listen to them. Because this could lead you to, parang advice, no? Mga gabay. Pwede rin tong parang opportunity to grow. No, like ako, I have a calling na mag-tarot. I'm Catholic. I stopped for a while because inaano ko kung I should this interfere sa values ko, sa core belief ko. But it's calling me to do this. And then nag-pull up ako ng card noon kay Krishna. 2 beses siyang lumabas. Krishna said devotion is a Hindu God, diba? One of the Hindu gods, no? So, be more open-minded when it comes to your belief, no? You can have fusion. So, yun yung paniniwala ko. So, I follow my calling. This is my vocation. So, for some of you, for January, there is something na nagdanag sa inyo deep within. So, you must listen to it. You must acknowledge it. I-recognize nyo yun. What is it? Ba, no? Yung parang lagi yung naiisip, lagi yung hinahanap, no? So, maybe it's about time. It's calling you. Pay attention to that, okay? Aquarius. Now, meron ka dito, interesting naman to, mermaid na babae naman ang sumasalo sa drowning na lalaki. Ayan. Now, medyo dark yung water dito. So, soul cage. Rescue, escape from captivity and restriction. This is the 8 of Swords energy. Kung sasabihin mo na sa traditional tarot to. Okay? 8 of Swords energy yan. Because, sometimes, for January, you might feel trapped or there's a certain energy na parang there are things na parang ayaw mong iwanan although may solution ka na alisan yun, no? But you choose there, parang self-sabotage mo yung sarili mong growth, yung sarili mong happiness. Your soul is cage or something is holding you back. May pagka-devil's energy to. So, ang sinasabi dito, you might be in need of help, so don't refuse any help, or it could be also, you could be the one helping someone for the month of January. Help them. These are serious things like, let's say sometimes these are a spiritual cage or emotionally cage or trap ka or mentally trap ka. No? So guard your thoughts, your feelings, and your decision making. No? It could be you are incapable to make wise decision, no? Or you choose to stay in a situation or with people na that no longer serves you. Sinasabi doon. So you need to let go. No, you need to be rescued, then let people save you. If you want to save other people, then let be a blessing to them. No, escape from captivity. But I'm saying this is 8 of Swords energy. There's just this thing na kasi ito nagpo-provide yung mermaid ng support doon sa tao na drowning. No, he wants an escape from drowning. Ganon. So if someone will help you, let them. Okay. Maybe that's the reason also na parang if you refuse to help, then you might continues to spiral down, Aquarius. Okay? So, I hope this resonates for you, Aquarius. Now, for the month of January 2026, this is basically your general collective energy. So, if it resonates with you, it means it's only for you, no? This reading is meant for you. So, if it doesn't, I will tap into your energy next time, Aquarius. Okay? Take care. God bless. And I'll see you on your next month reading. Bye!